Come on along. Brand new 1969. Look at that. Found her in the barn. Right? Hi guys. We're in an undisclosed location now. I got another place to hide. That's about what it amounts to. Hey, I gotta tell you something. Well, I don't, but I'm gonna. This is a headrest for the middle seat of my, you know, the little guy's seat between the front seat and the passenger, driver and passenger. And I didn't know what to do with it. I was going to throw it away because when the armrest is down, it's down, it's down, it's down. But I put something on my truck here because I sold my other truck, the blue one. And I put a plow on the white one. Yeah, it's a boss. Anyways, in today's world, where's my baggie? It's in there. This is the controller, and any of you boss guys will know this, but there's a hand grip for it, you know, so you can hold on to it, and then there's no place on the dash anymore to put the little hanger and the button and whatever. So I come up with what I always do. I took this here thingy that goes into the armrest slash center seat. Okay, and it usually sits like this, so it's when you put it down, blah blah blah, it's in your way. You just take it out, throw it in the back seat, and it rolls around until you sell the truck and somebody else puts it on, whatever. So I took myself a little bit of graph paper, and we draw dimensions and stuff on it. And I made myself something because I can't locate this on the dash, and as you get older you just want to be a lazy guy and you just want to leave your arm right on the armrest and then push these buttons. They make a joystick, but I didn't opt for that. Okay, a lot of guys will hold on to this while they're shifting forward, reverse. Make a long story short, I came up with this. Okay. What does this resemble? So, you'll see in a moment, un momento, por favor. This will slide into that armrest. My arm will be laying right here. I gotta do a little gluing on stuff here yet, but my arm will rest right here. Push button, fingers, da 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 da. Shift, forward, reverse. Put your hand right back here on the armrest. Hey, you know, laziness is the mother of all invention. Did you know that? You just learned it. Anyways, I'm gonna get this glued on here with some double-sided VHB, 3M VHB, very hard. Yeah. Anyways, I got some commercial grade double-sided tape, and I'm gonna put that on there. I'm gonna go mount it in the truck and show you what I got. See you in a bit. Got my tape on. Tape on. Alcohol prep. That tape is just cool. Then in the summer, I can just unplug this thing, put it in the shop so it doesn't get wrecked rolling around in the truck, and off you go. Yeah, this is what you call it. VHB. Alright, I gotta answer my phone. Say, won't you come with me? It's cold out. Anyways, as I was discussing, oh yeah, that's disgusting. Chew cup, we don't want that here in front of everybody's eyes. I don't really care, but alright, so you know, this getting back into video and thing is alright, but it takes a little practice again. So we see down here the two holes. Yeah, go figure. This is going to go on like this, Mike, because you're trying to hold the camera at one hand. I got to put you down. Put you down, man. There's these buttons on these things. The friction slide. There we go. In like Flynn, and I can adjust it in and out if I want. Look at that stuff. See that? That's the back side of it. Slider in, slider out. So when I get, that's the only adjustment I got. I made the angle pretty much permanent. Well, so yeah, as you're sitting here like this here, as you're plowing, let me see if I can see what I'm doing. There it is. So I'll be able to just sit my hand right here. Up, down. This will go right down here. This cordage. And it'll plug right in. Let's see which side is what. That's this side. This is getting old stuff. It's no fun. Well, come on, Mike. I need one longer arm. So there we are, just like downtown. Let's put a key in there, P-Vine. Light her up. See that there? So I'll just be able to ride along and shift and come right back down, shift, arm on the armrest. Boy, if I get a little long-legged or long-armed, I can just... The only thing I can see is not using this cup holder now. But isn't that just cool as shit? Even if I do say so myself. Say so myself. Yep. So there you are. If you want one made, it costs you 150 bucks. Anyways, there. That's the end of this video. Now I'm ready for plow season. Talk to you later. Bye.